Hello, that's Rolf from Tesla Owners US, and today is the big day of receiving my new Model X. Here's the old one, just in the background. This is up for sale. I will post an extra movie for that. Very well maintained car, but the new one is coming and I'm already playing quality control. Here's my tool for that. That's the same tool what Tesla uses to measure the gaps and maybe some other stuff. If Tesla delivers a good quality, everything will be perfect in that movie, but we will find out.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Find what we're looking.
Can you turn around so that we put it on the charger?
No, I can't put it on the charger for you.
No, I put it on the charger, but only back it up.
Oh, you can do that.
Yeah, I can do it?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, good. You are not allowed to be on camera, is that correct? Also, per two, the service center did not want to let me receive the car with someone at their service center, and it was very difficult. And at the end we said, okay guys, deliver it to my home. So, and the home delivery I can put in here was also pretty funny. I just noticed a car on my driveway. That was the Uber driver who drove the driver back, and they dropped the car in my driveway and then give me the set, the papers is in, here's the key card box for that. And then I asked him, I think we need to charge the car. Can you back it up so I can come to the charger, I can access the charger? And he said, oh, you can do it for yourself. So that was not in for me at this time, no matter what. So then at the same day in the evening, I brought the car because you have only 24 hours time to complain about the car. I brought the car to Thomas and we analyzed the car and we found the following. Front bumper, driver side, unfinished buffer swirls. Driver front fender, paint defect above headlight. Windshield front left corner scratch in glass. That's difficult because that windshield is $2,000. So long A-pillar dust trapped in clear coat. Driver side rear window door light dent. Driver side rear quarter paint defect dust trapped in clear coat. Top of the tailgate dust trap in clear coat, and bottom of the tailgate clear coat imperfections. Rear quarter passenger side dust trapped in clear coat. Passenger side top of the tailgate paint imperfections. Rear window of the passenger side, rear window scratched, another window scratched. I don't know what they're doing there, because you you have to really tough scratch that. Rear window, rear ring, door passenger side paint imperfection. And then we saw here at the, where usually the chrome is, now it's the black one. What is that?
It's the
What is that? What is that?
passenger window trim.
Passenger window trim
Dent.
dent. Dent. There's a dent in there. They probably must have pressed it in when they installed it, and that caused the dent. So we are not allowed to. Tesla called me again. One of the sales guys called me again, and when they call me, they only want to tell me something. What they told me is, I can not do any video at all. I'm on their black shit list for videoing, and because I list everything up, right, what is, and I cannot do any videoing. I would try to, and we're gonna go through the car again when I show that, and do the recording for that, and let's see how it turns out. But I'm guessing I cannot do that, and yeah, that's what they told me. When they call me, then they call me about any forbidden things, and this was one of the ones what they wanted to tell me there. So the free speech of the Twitter is only on Twitter. I should have posted this on Twitter instead and send it to Elon. That would be better, because the free speech is not in the Tesla premises, so there is no free speech there. And instead of spending $50 billion for Twitter, he should have spent 50 million, 1,000 still of that, for a new paint shop in Fremont, because there are state-of-the-art paint shop in Germany and probably in China and maybe also in US, in Texas. They should have rather invested in the paint shop in Fremont before they taking the 30-year-old paint shop and try to do a good quality for a car which is close to $130,000 including tax, paid cash. Let's go to the first one. It
So-
is
That section had
That
like
section.
heavily swirled, so
Swirls.
You can basically see in an angle of a light. Maybe not now, but in the
Yeah.
shop you could see like
Yeah.
it was.
yeah.
They tried to.
Then here I
get
see the
something wrong.
the traps in the dust clear coat
This is
already here.
imperfections. There's like
Yeah.
bubbling, almost like
Yeah.
something went wrong with the clear coat.
Yeah, I see it already from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That section here is probably the gaps from the hood don't match, because this gap is bigger than on the other side.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the scratch in the glass we were
In
talking
the
about.
windshield. Yeah, windshield scratch.
You're
in
slightly getting stuck on with your
Yeah.
fingernails. And you can. Mama vielleicht
Hier,
Schwenker.
hier ist eine Paint Imperfection hier.
Ja.
Ja, da sehe ich schon hier.
Das
Ja.
ist es sogar.
Ja.
Das ist natürlich hier oben auch.
Hier.
Da oben sieht man das schon mit dem.
Mit
mit
dem Rubber hier.
Seal.
Der-
Also
Ja, das ist zu weit runter. Das
Ja.
that's way too deep.
on
That
the other
window.
side, you can see like this bow going
Yeah.
over here.
Ja.
You know, so I don't know if that's normal.
Ja. And here is dust in trap.
Exactly.
Right. Yeah.
There,
Yeah.
this door is a like dent in it. You know, seen in that angle.
Yeah, you can see it. Here. There is a distortion of the paint. Yeah.
The same thing, also another light dent in here, but it seems like it's coming out.
On the
Not
opposite
inwards.
side, from inwards, they press something from inside out.
Yeah. Imperfections in the tailgate, you know, paint imperfections up here.
Yeah.
There was like a really, really big fuzz in the clear coat,
Oh, here.
trapped in it.
Yeah.
The same also imperfections in the paint here, light bubbling
Yeah.
in the clear coat. Then we have dust traps in here.
Yeah.
We have a heavy scratch in this glass section here.
Oh, yeah.
Both sections, you really can feel it getting stuck with your fingernail.
Yeah.
There's already paint missing in that corner.
There's no paint at all. Look at this guy here. Yeah.
Yeah. Same here again, also paint imperfections on that length.
Yeah.
There was the dent.
Here's a dent where they pressed
Yeah.
on
in that window trim.
in that window trim down.
And here are like it seems like somebody was trying to grab that handle and
then
there are
scratches on the handle here.
Yeah.
It is trying to grab it.
Yeah.
Someone wants to break into the car. That's happened usually
Yeah.
when
Yeah, that was
those dummies don't know how. And this because
yeah, the roof is so
the
bad.
roof is so bad that when you look at that roof, that is really pressed in, and the rubber is even get out. So here's the possibility there, where it can get trapped, or the water can get in. Okay, so let's visit them and see what they do. Guys, we are back and we are now in another car. Everything run perfect with the service center there. He had a big understanding and he saw everything what we saw. He saw it as well. Basically, he had problems with his own Model Y earlier in the summer, and that's why he had a good understanding for that, and he understands. So we found the two scratches in the. I cannot still believe why they are coming scratches in the glass. And then you saw also the wing doors were very pressed in, need to be adjusted there. And also the front, we added the hood, that the hood needs to be adjusted to the left and a little bit more inside on the left side, on the passenger side, on the driver's side, and outside. The gaps were not correct there. Yeah, and what else? Yeah, we added two items now. One item, what we didn't see was actually the
window trim.
The window trims, and they got pressed in. And then we saw a chip on another window in the corner there on the passenger side. And you could only see it when the sun was shining on it. It was reflecting like a mirror. And we added that to this. Yeah, and they said, I give you the 9th of December, and they give me a loaner what I can use, actually, or Thomas can use. I just had surgery yesterday, so I'm a little bit impaired. Yeah, and but now I think they're gonna send it to their own body shop, and they're gonna work on it. So they noticed all of that, and then after that, I cannot pick it up from the body shop. I have to pick it up because I have to bring it just right next to Thomas. It's not far away from Thomas.
Yes.
So that body shop there. So, and to bring it for foiling. And he gets the foiling order, but not yet. It is also good, yeah. You have your brother-in-law and your sister with you, right? This weekend. Yeah. So all turns out good. And I keep you updated how it at the end, how they make it and what time is. They are busy, but what time they will spend to have it all repaired. I don't know if we can ever buffer out the scratches in the glass, because if they go too deep, they have to replace the windshield, for example. And that's a $2,000 ticket on a new car at the first day. So that's quite amazing. Yeah. okay, if they don't control it at the factory, then the service center has to do the work. And yeah, I'm working in quality management. That's why I've not so much of an understanding for that, because it can all be arranged. So they are capable to do that with their Falcon rockets. They can do it with their rocket designs. Everything runs smoothly, no failures. Since hundreds of rockets, they can't do it with the cars. But they spend a lot of money on Twitter. So, okay, good. See you next time. Thumbs up, and or maybe I continue with the rest of it. But at least thumbs up. Bye bye.
Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I see?